Hello students, welcome to my channel Science World, and if you find this video useful for you, then please like, comment and share with your friends. Also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get the notification of my upcoming videos. Students, in our previous videos we were reading about the land of the midnight sun, that is Greenland, and we have already studied about the location, climate, culture, language, religion and plants and animal life in the Greenland. So today's topic is economy and industry of Greenland. Let's start. See, Greenland is dependent on its fishing and export industry. We know that, and we have already read that uh, Greenland is surrounded on all the sides by the sea, by sea water, or we can say oceans, Arctic Ocean and Atlantic Ocean and Greenland Sea. Okay, and that's why seafood is available in very large quantities. Seafood is available in very large quantities, and that's why fishing and export industry is very popular here. Okay, so fishing means the whatever seafood is available that are exported to the another countries. Okay, so fishing and export industries are very important. Then shrimp export. Shrimp is the seafood, or we can say sea animal, that is used as seafood, and it is very popular seafood. It is also exported to the another countries. Then reindeers, polar bears, seals, walruses and whales, they are also very important sources of meat. So these animals are killed for meat. Then I will show you some pictures of these animals. See, this is the fishing industry of Greenland. Different types of fish are exported to the other countries. Then this is the shrimp, and you can see here so many shrimps are there. They are collected from the sea and they are exported to the other countries. These are the animals. This is polar bear, then this is seal, reindeer and walruses. These animals are killed for their meat, also for their fur and skins. Okay, so these are the animals. Then Greenland also has a hydroelectric power plant named Buxtehude. Okay, its name is Buxtehude. This hydroelectric power plant, I will show you the picture also. Here you can see the picture. This is the hydroelectric power plant at Tasiilaq. Okay, and this hydroelectric power plant at Tasiilaq was officially inaugurated in the spring of 2005. The hydroelectric power plant is located approximately 3 km northwest of the town and produces an output of 1.2 megawatt of power. Okay, so this is the hydroelectric power plant at Tasiilaq. Then tourism is another industry here, and it is growing rapidly and has benefited the economy. Means the country is earning much of its revenue from the tourism industry. Okay, then mining of ruby and other minerals like iron, uranium, platinum, nickel and copper is also carried out on a large scale. So mining is another main industry in the Greenland. Okay, so look at these pictures now. We have already seen the hydroelectric power plant. Then this is the tourism industry. You can see the tourists, they visit here, and in this way the tourism industry is flourishing. Then this is the mining in the Greenland. Mining of ruby and other minerals like iron, uranium, platinum, nickel and copper. These minerals are digged on a large scale from the Greenland surface. Then next topic is transport. How people go from one place to another place, or what are the means of transport they use. So roads are present only within the towns. Roads are present only within the towns. In villages there are no roads. Dog sledges and snowmobiles are important because they are used on ice covered areas. Dog sledges and snowmobiles are used on the ice covered areas. Shipping and air services. Shipping and air services, airlines, are the main means of transport in Greenland. And Greenland also has very sophisticated telecommunications network also. Okay, so this is about the transport. Roads are there but only in the towns. Dog sledges and snowmobiles are used. Then shipping and air services, that is air transport and water transport, is the main means of transport in Greenland. Okay, see, these are the means of road transport. You can see here buses, cars are there. Okay, so road transport is available there in the towns. Then this is the air transport. This is the airport in Greenland. Then ships are there for water transport, because in on all the sides water is there. Greenland is surrounded by water, and that's why water transport is the main transport for Greenland. This is the snowmobile. This is snowmobile, and it is used on the it is used to travel on the ice covered areas. These are the dog sledges. Dogs carry these sledges, and you can carry the people also, or you can carry goods also. Okay, so this is about the transport. Then we have welfare services. The government in Greenland provides its citizens a range of welfare services like free health care and 9 years of free and compulsory education for Greenlandic children. See, in our India also we have primary education free, till the class 8th we have free education for all. And in Greenland also 9 years of free and compulsory education for Greenlandic children is provided by the government of Greenland. Then another welfare services is free health care. Greenland is government is providing free health care for the people. Also the pension and other employment related services are also provided by the government. Pension for the elderly people and employment for the youth. So these are the welfare services provided by the Greenland government. Okay, so here you can see the students or the children, they are going to the school. This picture of Greenland. So thank you for watching my video. Here we have finished all the topics related to the Greenland. Okay, so we will meet in our next video. Until then, like my videos, watch them, subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.